So in this video, guys, I am going to do a live trading session with this software. So at the moment, I'm going to switch all of the assets on, okay, because I only had the cryptocurrency pairs on. So first things first, guys, how do we start trading with robot in order to generate optimum results? So first, as you know, guys, what do we do before we start trading? We go to investing.com, which is this website right here, and we click on news and we click on economic calendar, and we make sure that there are no tribal news during our trading session, guys. If there are no tribal news, we can go ahead and start trading, guys. Okay, guys, so before I turn the auto trader on and before we start seeing those trades being placed, there is something really important, guys, I must tell you regarding the indicators. So after long testing, guys, as you know, if you've been using this BinBot PRO, then you know that you can switch on and off these indicators here on the bottom. There are only 6 indicators in total, which you can adjust each, and you can adjust and you can turn them on and off. Depending on the market volatility, depending on current market conditions, or it really depends on the particular market conditions when you trade. So in order to generate more profitable results, it's recommended to only turn on 3 indicators, guys. And and in this situation, why should we even use those indicators? It's best just to switch them off, okay, and then use these 3 indicators, which are going to be confirmed. You know, for example, look at this commodity channel index, RSI index, for example, now are showing the same, the same direction of the trade. You know, it's showing from this point that it was overbought value for 222 and 34. And this is the indicator, for example, that the trade is going to go up, as well as momentum indicator. So guys, the advice here. So long story short, guys, as I was telling you before, the more indicators you use at the same time, the less quality there will be in your trades, even if you trade manually. You see, I'm not a trading guru, and I don't have those 100 or 10 screens on my back, and I don't use 100 indicators at the time, because the more indicators you use, the more time you spend and the more time you waste, and the more trades you will be kind of avoiding, even though some of the trades might be really good trades, that you missed out because you are looking at too many indicators, okay? And this is exactly a perfect example of what's happening here. So guys, for optimum results, make sure you only have these 3 indicators on, which are commodity channel index, relative strength index, and relative volatility index. So when we have that out of the way, so let's just save the auto trader now. I am going to, for this trading session, I am going to switch off so there was negative news regarding Bitcoin earlier on, and it kind of affects the cryptocurrency market today. So that's what I'm going to switch off all of the cryptocurrency pairs, okay? I will not trade any cryptocurrency pairs due to those news releases for today, just to be more safe. So let's click on save. And now let's click here on the robot, back to robots. So so here we go. So yeah, so let's turn it on, guys. Okay, let's turn it on. And there was another one which was really okay. Euro USD, as you can see, placed. Let's check it. Did you see that, guys? The automated trade was just placed. Let's go here. Let's see. So we have a Euro USD placed, and it's gonna expire in 13.9, so 20 to 2. Okay, it's gonna expire. The payout will be 221. So investment amount was 122.93, which was invested automatically by the auto trader, and our payout will be 221.27. And if the payout is not 0, it means that the trade is already in the money. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I noticed a good few trades being placed by the auto trader. So let's just take a look at it, guys. So okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I think 1 we have expired already. So guys, so what do we have here? So yes, so we have 7 trades here. It's gonna expire between after 1951, 1952. So okay, so I will give it some time. I will give it some time, guys. But yeah, so far looks really interesting. Really interesting stuff, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back, and the trades should be expired. All of them should be expired, guys. So let's take a look at, so let's take a look at our balance first. So our balance now is, I switched off the auto trader, obviously, because it placed too many trades, you know. I think we had like 7 or 8 trades. Let's just double check. So our current balance is 4,136.82. The auto trader is off. That's great. Now let's take a look at the results here. So we have closed positions, guys, for today, the 20th of June, which is Wednesday already. So let me see. Okay. So we lost one. We lost one trade. So we had how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we had 8 trades. We lost one. So we get 7 winners, 1 loser. Let's just, guys, calculate the total profit for today. So that's great. It's even though it's one loss, it's still a great performance. So order size. So okay. So how much did we invest in this trading session? Let's calculate, and then let's calculate our total profit, which we generated just here from our couch. So from our chair, sorry. So 122.93. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 122.93 was invested by BinBot PRO 4 times. 1, 2, 3. Yes, so 4 times. Then plus 120, 120, 120, 120. Again 4 times. So 4 multiplied by 120. How much that will be? That will be 480. Is it? So 480. Am I right? So 480. So it's 971.72. So this was our total investment, the money going in. And now let's calculate the money going out. So let's calculate our total profit. Let's do another calculation. So let's open calculator here again. So, and the payout was, so 221 3 times. So 221. As you can see, different currency assets has different payouts. So 221.27 multiplied by 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then plus 204. 204, 204. So 204, 204, 204. And that is a loss, so we get nothing for that. And plus 216. So plus 216, which we got from our GBP trades. So GBP trades. So that was our total payout minus our investment, which is 971.72. Okay, that brings us total profit from today's session, $520.09. So we generated over $500. You know, as we generated $520, even though we had 1 loss. So we had this really great performance, guys. So 1 loss, 7 winning trades, 1 loss, so 8 trades in total.